Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials done fast. Update Snapchat, allow camera, mic, and storage access so nothing blocks recording. Once done, record or pick a story clip under 60 seconds. Snapchat favors 9 to 16 vertical video, so frame your subject in the center. Make an immediate trim to remove dead space. Keep the first 3 seconds strong to hook viewers. Then preview for lighting and audio clarity because Spotlight rewards polished, attention-grabbing openings. Next, enhance your clip. Apply filters, speed ramps, and concise captions so viewers understand context without sound. You should add licensed music or sounds from Snapchat's library. This both boosts retention and avoids copyright removal. Make deliberate edits. Tighten pacing, stabilize shaky frames, and ensure text is readable on small screens. Once satisfied, export at the platform's recommended resolution. Verify file size and format comply. These steps make your story more discoverable and watchable in Spotlight feeds. Finally, submit to Spotlight. Open the Spotlight option, write a short, descriptive caption, add relevant tags, and pick a crisp thumbnail that communicates the clip instantly. Set any visibility or audience options, then tap Submit. Monitor early analytics for views and completion rate to guide tweaks. If Snapchat rejects the clip, don't panic. Check for copyright strikes, wrong aspect ratio, excessive text, or low audio quality. Then correct those issues and resubmit immediately to improve acceptance odds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.